Amalungu iSCOPA ayifikele mathupha eSABC efuna imininingwane emayelana nesimo sezemali somsakazeli womphakathi. Lena ingxenye yemizamo yokuthola imbangela yokusetshenziswa budedengu kwemali kuleNkampani. LeliKomidi lithi likhathazekile ngokwavela embikweni womcwaningi mabhuku omkhulu.
The audit outcomes from the AG had indicated to contracts which had been, in our view, evergreen, and there was seemingly an abuse of the expansion and deviation process of contracts. It has been, of course, very clear to us that the complexities of the technological capabilities of the SABC may have triggered that.
Amanye amalungu aleliKomidi ebengagculisekile neze ngendlela okuqhubeke ngayo le ingxoxo.
We are not going to allow people to act like there is no problem. We are here because of the problem.
iSABC ithi imatasa ngeinhlelo zokwenza leNkampani ibe nozinzo ngakwezemali.
The reason why they wanted to come to the SABC was for them to experience for themselves what are some of the challenges we have, what are some of the constraints that we have from a technology point of view, but also the issues of how are we impacted by Public Finance Management Act in our ability to be competitive, to be agile, and to be able to deliver on what is expected of us.
Kusenjalo iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uPinki Kekana unikezele leLeliKomidi isiqiniseko sokuthi umnyango wakhe uzoqhubeka nokusebenzisana neSABC ukuze kuxazululwe inkinga zayo zemali.
We are working around the clock to assist and support the SABC to move out of this quagmire.
LeliKomidi lithi lizophothula umbiko walo mayelana nohambo lwanamhlanje bese lihlinzeka isishayamthetho sikazwelonke ngalombiko.